Hey guys! I made a wall decor for someone and it's got unique lightings on both sides of the decor using Dollar Tree items. I incorporated items for the fall season and it was a simple and easy DIY. Now let's go ahead and get started. I got 6 of these mirrors from the Dollar Tree and then 2 paper lanterns. All I'm going to be needing from these paper lanterns are just the side that's got the battery pack and the lighting. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I also got this from the Dollar Tree and it is such a cute and pretty table decor piece. I'm going to be placing it on top of the lighting, and this is glass to make sure that the lighting is going to be reflecting from behind and through the glass. I will be making use of a foam board and carving out a little hole with an X-Acto knife. This is where I'm going to be inserting the lighting. I made the hole in such a way that it's going to fit in a snug way, and then I'm going to hold it down also with a strong adhesive. I made 2 holes. And then I'm going to be inserting the lighting at a place where we can still have access to changing the battery pack and also turning it on and off. I'll be gluing both items together, making sure that the glass is in front of the lighting. And I'm going to be using a strong adhesive. I use an A6000 glue. And I also use the hot glue gun just to keep it in place while I work. I glued on the 6 mirrors to the board, and I also glued on the items that I just glued together to the board also. I'll be using a Pringles container to make a 3D vase. So I'm going to be splitting the container into 2 equal halves. It's a little bit long, so I'm going to be reducing the height. To decorate the vase, I drew out patterns on a Trifold board and I cut them out using a pair of scissors. And I used a silver Rust-Oleum spray paint and I spray painted them silver. I will be covering up the rough edges for all of the cutouts with silver beads. I also sprinted the Pringles container silver. And this is what all of the pieces look like. And I'm going to be gluing them onto the Pringles container. If you look at the top left of this video, you would see that I used gold for another vase that I was making. And that was done on the 31st of January 2018. The golden vase was for a project that I uploaded on my channel a long time ago. It was also a wall decor and it shows step-by-step procedure on how I made the vase. And I will leave a link for this video. It's gonna pop up at the top right, and I'm also gonna be leaving the link in the description box below. I just continued filling up the pieces until I got this. I glued it to the bottom middle part of the board, and then I cut out the excess parts by the side so that it would fit with where she wants to place the board in her home. Now I'm going to be using silver beads to decorate the open spaces between all of the mirrors. And I did that all around. And then I'm also going to be gluing it around the battery pack for the lighting to make sure that it flows with the rest of the design. These are metallic write-ups that I also got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using the one that says thankful, and I glued it at the top middle. I got these cute florals from the Dollar Tree and I put them inside the vase. And now I'm going to be using these maple leaves around it and gluing it to the board, and this is just to make it look fuller. To keep it flushed on the wall, I use command strips for hanging. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can notice it, but the intensity of the lighting coming from the light that I got from the paper lantern is impressive, and I'm definitely going to be using a lot of it for future DIY videos. Like I said before, I used the maple leaves just to make it look fuller. Now you can leave it the way it is, or you can make it fuller. It's all up to you. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this wall decor, and remember to like and share. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.